so today we are going to talk about Set E. Set E is mainly for acne-prone skin, oily skin and skin with blackheads. So in this particular acne, oily, blackhead pore set, we have our vitamin C foam cleanser which will help to lighten your scars. And we have our Essence Toner, our expert toning solution that will not only provide hydration for the surface of your skin, but it also provides hydration from deep within and also works as a collagen booster. Third, we have our enzyme serum, which contains salicylic acid and will work as a chemical exfoliator. After removing all the dead skin cells with enzyme serum, we're gonna regenerate new skin cells with our oxygen serum, which is also enriched with capsulated vitamin E. So the first step, we are going to go in with the vitamin C foam cleanser. Since I have a combination skin, I would go with 2 pump. If you have a dry skin, do not apply it directly to your face and should have some foam in your hand. Once you see this on your hand, go ahead and cleanse through. I just washed my face off the camera. I'm going to go in with step 2, which is our expert toning solution. You just have to remove the lid and the slight tip at the top. Remove it. Use a double side sealed cotton pad so that there's no much of a waste when you pour it straight to the cotton. And also, this cotton helps to distribute the product evenly. Which, as you can see, they still have excess dirt on it. Okay, and then we're going to go in with our enzyme serum, which has salicylic acid. It's going to work as a chemical exfoliator. It is also suitable for all skin types. So once it's dried down, we'll go ahead with our oxygen serum. Since we have exfoliated all the dead skin cells, now we are going to regenerate new skin cells with our oxygen serum. And that's about it for Set E.